In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Windows 11 high power usage. If your laptop battery is draining fast, the fan is running constantly, or your device feels warmer than usual, it often means one or more apps are using more power than they should. The quickest way to get this under control is to find those apps and stop them safely using Task Manager. I'll walk you through it step by step, and I'll explain what to look for so you can make smart choices without disrupting your work. Start by opening Task Manager. The fastest way is to press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape at the same time. Task Manager will appear on your screen. If you see a simplified view, switch to the full view so you can access all the details. Once the full window is open, look for the Processes tab. This is where Windows lists everything that's running on your computer, including apps you've opened and background processes. Next, we want to quickly identify what's using the most power. In the Processes tab, find the column labeled Power Usage. Click on that column header to sort the list. Click it again if needed until the items using the most power appear at the top. This instantly shows you which apps or background tasks are currently demanding the most from your battery or power supply. Keep in mind that some spikes are temporary, like when an app is loading or updating. If a program stays at high power usage for more than a moment and you're not actively using it, that's a strong candidate to close. Now end tasks that are using high power and not needed. Before you do, save any open work in those apps. Then select the app in the list and choose End Task. This immediately stops it and should reduce overall power draw. Be careful not to end critical system processes or anything you don't recognize that might be essential to Windows. Focus on obvious culprits, like browsers with many tabs, games or media apps you're not using, or utilities that got stuck. If you're unsure about a process, leave it running. After ending unnecessary high-usage tasks, give your system a moment to settle. You should notice the fan calming down and the device feeling cooler. If you regularly find the same app at the top, consider closing it when you're done with it, or check its settings later to reduce background activity. That's it. By opening Task Manager, checking the Processes tab, sorting by power usage, and ending unneeded high-power tasks, you can quickly bring Windows 11 power consumption back under control.